This is a 1958 Cadillac Eldorado. It's got the 365 V8 engine with the 3 2-barrel carburetors on it. We just did the complete exhaust system, tried to replicate it to the original specs. Put the rear resonator mufflers up in there. It's really tight over the axle here. A lot of pipe bending on this one here. A lot of pipe, I should say. Factory style mufflers up to the factory manifolds. Everything's a little rusty. Obviously it's been around for a while. 65-year-old vehicle's in really good shape. Should be really quiet. That's what we were looking for. As you can see there again, it's just really what we call spaghetti pipe bending. Work of art. Let's see what it sounds like. Should sound like a quiet Cadillac here. There we go. I think it's flooding a little bit. The 3 2-barrel carburetors. You always had to tune them back in the day. But you can barely hear it run. Like I said, factory quiet. Don't want any noise on this Cadillac. Running like a watch. Well, we got it outside. You can hear it's nice and quiet. Beautiful car in very good condition. Like I said, for 65. Hope I'm looking that good. Very quiet. Probably the longest 2-door coupe ever made. I'm not quite sure, but I'll have to look that up. Heavy car. Purring like a kitten.